Hello, hope everyone is doing well. In this video, we're going to cover one of the tool. It's kind of Visual Studio extension, which makes our life very smooth while we're deploying the SSAS tabular models. Okay, so most of you guys already working on the tabular models. So whenever you do some code change, like adding the new formulas, new calculations, new dimensions or new measures, if at any point if you want to compare it what you modified in your current project versus your the one it's there and deployed in the SSMS, right? So those scenarios, actually this tool is very useful. Okay, and then it's a simple way that you can download and install and make it available in your Visual Studio. Okay, so I'll share the this tool link, the download link, in my video description. You can go ahead and download it, and also you can find how to use this tool. There are steps. One second. There are steps how to use this tool. You can go to the link, and then here you can see how to use this tool. Okay, and then so you can do different operations here, where you want to focus on how to do the selection, how to validation, how to generate a script or update. So all those steps are available here. Okay, and it's a pretty easy to use the tool, and it's very handy. Okay, because I recently found this tool is very useful, and I want to share with you guys. Okay, without further ado, so go ahead and download and install the tool. Okay, make sure that you have Visual Studio 2019 and 17 and 15, because this tool only supports to these three versions. Okay, and then start using it. Okay, so you can see here already had it in my project for my adventure works sample data project. Okay, and if you want to know whether the tool is installed in your local or not, always go to your Visual Studio extension, manage extensions, and then go to installed one, and then there you see the tool is already installed in my local. And how to use this tool, again, I'll quickly give you some background. But again, you can go to here and click on how to use it, and then you can find how to use this tool. Okay, it's a pretty simple and straightforward. You can easily use it, and you can easily track your all changes. Okay, I just give a quick glance. So how to use this tool in Visual Studio without taking much time. So you can go to the tools on your Visual Studio. After you connected to your Tabular Cube project, go to the tools and then click on new tabular model comparison. Okay, and then here you need to provide what you want to compare. So I want to compare my database, and then okay, here I think I need to use this server name. Okay, and then you can also compare my current open project, and then I want to compare with existed a AWDW, that is the one is deployed. Okay, you can also compare your files, or you can compare project versus database, or you can compare project versus project. Let's see here. I clicked on it, and here I want to hide the actions, skip actions. Okay, and then you can see here. So this is the measure which is created today, because that is newly created for testing purpose, but it's only available in my current Visual Studio. It's not deployed to the AW. Okay, so what you can do, you can click on validation section. You can do your validation. Once you're done with validation, you can directly update to the target. Okay, so it's asking you to you want to update the target, click on S, then it will deploy the target. Or you want to generate a script, you can also generate a script where you can deploy in the different using the different plugins. I mean, some places we can deploy the scripts here by using the .json extension, right? So those scenarios you can use this script to deploy it. Okay, this is about this tool. Um, Basically, this tool is actually using this tool you can perform many actions. So there are 6 different actions that you can perform. You can go through it and see it. But as of now, I export only these comparison and deploy the changes to the SSMS. So for now, this is about this tool. Since I haven't explored remaining 5 options, then probably maybe I'll come up with a different video where I can try to explain the different options, how this tool help to the, I mean, how this tool help further. Okay, so with that, uh, until that, we'll see you on the next video. Then take care. Thank you. Bye bye.